back with a new chapter of class 8 algebraic expression, which is the 9th chapter of class 8. What do you do when you don't know what a number is but you know how it relates to something else? For this we use algebraic expression. So in this chapter we will learn how we can express relationships as algebraic expression. Let's look at some real life examples. What are algebraic expressions and why do we learn them? Suppose you have some number of pens but you don't know how many pens you have. Similarly, your friend has 4 less number of pens than you, which means you have some number of pens but you don't know how many you have. Correspondingly, your friend has 4 less number of pens than you. Here, you have some number of pens but your friend has 4 less number of pens. Let's see how we can express this algebraic way. For example, you have X number of pens. Your friend has 4 less number of pens than you have. So we can write your friend has 4 less number of pens than you have. So that means you have X number of pens. So 4 less than X number of pen means X minus 4. So you got X and your friend has X minus 4 pens. Let's think of another example. Your friend scored thrice than that of you. So how we can express this mathematically? So let's see. Marks scored by you. Marks scored by you. We can take it as X. Your friend scored thrice the marks than you have. So that means thrice the marks than you have. That means thrice, 3 times your marks. So 3 into X. From this you can understand these all situations we can express by using algebraic expression. Did you get any point of what are algebraic expression? Yes, of course, you got something related with algebraic expression. Don't worry, when we move on to the further topic, you will get a clear picture of algebraic expression. So let's see what is an algebraic expression. It's a combination of variables and constants of one or more terms, along with algebraic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Here you might know that what is variables and constants. You don't worry, I will be explaining in detail because you have already learned in 7th standard in simplifications chapter. What is the definition of algebraic expression? It's a combination of variables and constants of one or more terms. So let's see what is terms. Terms means each part of an expression is separated by plus or minus sign. For example, 10x square minus 5. So here you can see terms. So this is the first term of this expression and 5 is the second term of this expression. Here you can see these two terms are separated by using this minus sign. So did you understand what is term? Term means each part of an expression is separated by plus or minus sign. This expression is very similar to the compartments of a train. So let's see how it will be. You know that many compartments combine together to form a train. In this expression, there are 2 parts. So 10y square is a one part and the minus 5 is the second part of this expression. When we convert this algebraic expression in terms of a train, how many compartments are here? You know that there are 2 compartments here. So first compartment is 10y square and second compartment is minus 5. We can call these compartments in terms of algebraic expressions are terms. I hope you understood. So what are terms here? 10y square. So first term is 10y square and second term is minus 5. Here you can compare our algebraic expression to a train. So that time you can understand what is the meaning of term. Let's try with another example of algebraic expression. In this expression, how many terms are here? So let's see. First term of this expression is 10x square and second one is 5x and third one is 6. So let's try with another example. How many terms are here? Don't write 6 and x square because this is wrong. You know that 6x square means 6 into x square. Suppose this equation is in the form of 6 plus x square. We can write how? 6 and x square. But this is 6x square. That means 6 multiplied by x square. So here only one term, that is 6x square. Is it clear to you? If you need any clarification, please mention in the comment box. Let's try with another example of algebraic expression. In this algebraic expression, how many terms are here? So here we can write this equation 8x square by 10 minus 9 by 10. So you will get two terms here. So what are the two terms? First term is 8x square by 10 and second term is minus 9 by 10. So I hope you understood how to find terms from algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? As we said, it's an expression which is made up of constants and variables along with algebraic operations, that is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. In this chapter, you have to learn some more terms. Don't confuse, this term is different. I am telling new terms for using algebraic expression. So first we can learn what is coefficient. What is coefficient? Numbers that multiply with variables. So what is the meaning of variable? Variable means which is a letter that represents unspecified number. So here x is the variable. So now we can see what is coefficient. Numbers that multiply with the variable. So here what is the variable? X square. So numbers that multiply. So 6 into x square is 6x square. Numbers that multiply with the variable is called coefficient. So what is the coefficient of x square? Coefficient of x square is 6. Correspondingly, we can try one more example. How many terms are here? First term is 10x square and the second term is 5x. So what is the coefficient of first term? 10 multiplied by x square. So what is the coefficient here? 10. And in second term, what is the coefficient? 5 into x. So the number multiplied with the variable is called coefficient. So 5 is the coefficient. In this question, there are two coefficients, that is 10 and 5. So our next topic is like terms. So what is like terms? Terms with the same variables raised to the same power. So for example, this is an algebraic expression 6x square minus 5x plus 5ab minus 2ab plus 6. So here first we can write the terms. So first term is 6x square minus 5x plus 5ab minus 2ab and finally 6. Terms with same variables. So here which term represents same variables? Here you can see this is x square and second one is x. So this is not same variable because here the power is different. Here x raised to the power of 2, here x raised to the power of 1. So we can't take these two as similar variables. So let's check this one. So here you can see the power of a is 1 and the power of b is also 1. Correspondingly here also you can see the power of a is 1 and the power of b is 1. So these two terms are called like terms. 5ab and minus 2ab represents the same power. So these two terms are called like terms. Next we can learn what is constant. Terms without variables known as constant. So in this expression there are three terms 6x square minus 5x and 10. So here you know that 6x square and minus 5x has variables. Only the term 10 left without variables. So 10 becomes constant in this scenario. So I hope you understood what is coefficient, what is variable, what is terms, what is like terms and what is constant. Today we are going to discuss about different types of algebraic expression. So let's see what are the different types of algebraic expression. So here you can see the table. So here I wrote 4 types of algebraic expression. First one is monomial and second one is binomial and third one is trinomial, last one is polynomial. So let's see what is the definition of each algebraic expression. So first one is monomial. So what is monomial? Monomial means it contains only one term. Which contains only one term. We have already discussed all the new terms related with algebraic expression in my previous video. If you are new to my channel, please watch that videos, then only it will be really easy for you. Do you know what is term? Yes, term is nothing but it's a part of algebraic expression which is separated by plus or minus sign. So let's see what are the examples of monomial. First example is 6xyz. It contains only one term. So I am writing another algebraic expression 6 plus xyz. Can you identify any difference between these? Yes, you are right. This is 6 into xyz. So we can't separate 6 into xyz because this is in the product form. But this one we know that 6 is one term and xyz is another term. That means it has two terms but it contains only one term. So 6 plus xyz is not a monomial. But 6xyz is a monomial because which comprises only one term. From this you can understand it has two terms. So two terms means it included in the category of binomial. So we can write another example of monomial 6y square. Here also you can see 6 multiplied by another variable that is y square. So it's a monomial 10z. See these all expressions multiplied by coefficient with variables. Again I am telling, if you are new to my channel, please watch my previous videos, then only it will be really easy for you. So next we can check what is binomial, which contains two terms. Here I already explained what is binomial. Here you can see 6 plus xyz. It has two terms. It is separated by plus sign. So this will come here. So here we can write 6 plus xyz. This is an algebraic expression which contains two terms. So another example what we can write here. Here also you can see two terms separated by plus or minus sign. Next one we can do what is trinomial, which contains three terms. For example, we can write 6y square plus 8y plus 5. So you can see it has three terms. You can see another example for trinomial 5y square minus 2y minus 5. So next one is polynomial. Here you can see which contains 1, 2, 3 or more terms. You know that 6xy is a monomial, but actually it is a polynomial also. So here you can see more than three terms. So this expression is called polynomial. Actually monomial, binomial, trinomial, all these together what we call polynomial. So polynomial means which contains 1, 2 or more terms. So actually 6xy. So from this you will think 6xy is a monomial, but actually it is polynomial too. Similarly 5y square, that also polynomial. Then here you can see 6x square plus 2xy plus 3x plus 5. It has 4 terms, so it is a polynomial. I hope you understood what is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. I hope you understood different types of algebraic expression. Now we can solve one question related with different types of algebraic expression. Here you can see some examples for different types of algebraic expression. You have to identify which one is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So first we can do what is monomial. So you know that monomial which contains only one term. So let's see which expression comprises only one term. So here you can see 7xyz minus 10. It has two terms. 7xyz minus 10, which is an algebraic expression, it comprises two terms. So this algebraic expression will come under the category of binomial. Next 10y. So you know that 10 multiplied by variable. So here only one term. So it's under monomial. Next we can do 6x plus 5y plus 2. It's an algebraic expression. It comprises 1, 2, 3 term. It's separated by plus sign. So that means it's under trinomial. So next expression is 4x squared. Here you can see only one term. So that is monomial. Next one 3xy. That also only one term. That is monomial. So that we finish. Next one is minus 7z. So it has only one term. So that is monomial. AB minus AC, which is an algebraic expression, it is separated by minus sign. So it comes under binomial. Next one, A plus B plus C plus D. So you can see it has four terms. So it comes under polynomial. So next one, 5y square plus 2y plus 3. So it contains three terms. So it's under trinomial. So last one, 10x cube plus y square plus 6x plus 5. So it has four terms. So it's under polynomial. I already said these all expressions, monomial, binomial, trinomial, together what we call, it's a polynomial. I hope you understood what is monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. Monomial, binomial, trinomial, all these expressions to polynomial. It starts with like terms and unlike terms. Here you can see like terms and unlike terms. So what is the definition of like terms? Terms having same variables are called like terms. Terms having different variables are called unlike terms. So here we can write terms having same variables are called like terms. Terms having different variables are called unlike terms. So let's see the examples. You can see 5x and minus 9x are the examples for algebraic expression which contains same variables with the same power. So we can write another example. Here also you can see it has same variables with the same power. In this expression you can see 6y square. What is the power of y square? 2. And in this expression you can see what is the power of y cube? 3 is the power of y cube. That means this is not a like term. So next we can write the examples for unlike terms. In this expression the power of x and y is 1, but in this expression the power of x is 2 but y is same. But we can't take this as like term because the power is different for both the cases. So it is unlike term. Another example we can write. So here also you can see the power is different. In this expression also you can see that the power is different with the same variable. So you can see this is not a like term. These all examples related with unlike terms. Terms which contain same variables are called like terms. Terms which contains different variables are called unlike terms. So here you can see like term means same variables with the same power. If it is not same means that expression is called unlike term. So our next topic is addition and subtraction of algebraic expression. We can only add or subtract like terms. Why? For example, in a table there are 6 books and 4 pens. So here you can see we can't add 6 books to 4 pens because they are not the same kind of object. Similarly, in another table there are 4 books and 2 pens. So altogether we have 10 books and 6 pens. We can't combine these objects since they are different types of objects. One of your friend comes in and grab 4 books from this. So we have 6 books left with us and 6 pens also. Similarly with algebra, we can only add or subtract with same kind of objects with the same variables with the same power. So let's try with some examples. So our first question is 15x minus y plus 3x plus 8y. So first we can write the like terms. So here you can see 15x and 3x are the like terms and another like terms are minus y and plus 8y. So we can combine together of these expressions. So 15x plus 3x plus minus y plus 8y. 15x plus 3x is equal to 18x. You have to subtract y from 8y. So here you can see minus and plus, here different sign, that means you have to subtract smaller number from greater number. So which one is greater here? 8. So 8 minus 1, 7. So which number is greater? 8. So what is the sign of 8 plus? So 18x plus 7y is the answer of 15x minus y plus 3x plus 8. So in this question first we can write like terms. Here we got 12x and minus 2x are the like terms. So and 5y plus 2a are unlike terms. Now we can combine all these terms. So 12x minus 2x is 10x. So this is the answer. I hope you understood. We can only add or subtract with the like terms. We cannot do anything with 5y and 2a because these are unlike terms. So we have finished 3 introduction part based on algebraic expression. Today we are starting exercise 9.1. So let's see what is the first question. So here you can see identify the terms, their coefficients for each of the following expression. So first question is 5x yz square minus 3zy. So before solving our question, we have to understand what is terms and what is coefficient. I already explained in my previous videos. If you are new to my channel, please watch my previous videos, then only it will be really easy for you. I will give the link in my description box. So before starting the class, I will explain what is terms. Terms means which is a part of algebraic expression. Which is separated by plus or minus sign. So I hope you understood what is terms. It's a part of algebraic expression which is separated by the symbols using plus or minus sign. So next we have to learn what is coefficient. What is coefficient? Numerical factor of a term is called coefficient. So again I will repeat what is terms. It's a part of algebraic expression which is separated by plus or minus sign. Coefficient means it's a numerical factor of a term. Now we can solve our question. So our first question is 5xyz square minus 3zy. First we can write terms. So here you can see in this algebraic expression there are two terms separated by minus sign. So first term is 5xyz square and second term is minus 3zy. You have to write the term including sign. So if you write simply 3zy means this is wrong. It's minus 3zy. So next we can write what is coefficient. So here you can see the number multiplied by variable is called coefficient, or we can say numerical factor of a term. That is, numerical means number of a term. So what is the number here? So the number multiplied by variable, that is 5. So here coefficient of this term is plus 5. For positive, you no need to mention positive sign. Negative only you have to mention negative sign. So in this expression you can see minus 3 is the coefficient of minus 3zy. So we can solve our second question. Here you can see there are 3 terms. One, x and x square. This is the first term. Here you can't see any coefficient, because coefficient means the number multiplied with the variable. So this is not coefficient, this is constant. So next we can see what is the coefficient of x. You know that x means 1 multiplied by x, so coefficient of x is 1, and coefficient of x square is 1, because 1 into x square, that also 1. I hope you understood first and second question. Now we can do the third question. Let's solve with our third question. So first we have to write terms. Next we can write coefficient. So in this question you know that there are 3 terms. So first we can mention our terms. 4x square y square. Second term is minus 4x square y square and z square. And third term is z square. So what is the coefficient of 4x square y square? You know that the number multiplied with the variable is called coefficient, or numerical factor of an expression. So here what is the numerical factor? So 4 is the coefficient of this term. So next term is minus 4x square y square z square. So the number multiplied with the variable is called coefficient. So which number is multiplied? 4. But the sign, what is the sign here? Minus 4. So you have to mention the negative sign. If no need to mention the positive sign, because 4 means plus 4. But you have to mention the negative sign. Next term is z square. So what is the coefficient of z square? You know that z square means 1 into z square. So what is the coefficient of z square? 1. So we finished with our third question. Now we can do our fourth question. So here first we can write terms. So here in this expression there are 4 terms. So what is the coefficient of 3? I said here there is no number multiplied with a variable. This is constant. So we no need to consider this number. So we can do this one. So what is the coefficient of minus PQ? Minus 1 into PQ, that is minus 1. So minus 1 is the coefficient of minus PQ. QR 1 into QR. So 1 is the coefficient of QR, and minus RP, minus 1 is the coefficient of minus RP. So I hope you understood third and fourth question. So our fifth question is x by 2 plus y by 2 minus xy. So first we can write our terms. So in this expression you can see there are 3 terms. So you know that what is the coefficient of this term? X by 2 means 1 by 2 into x is called x by 2. So what is the coefficient of x by 2? 1 by 2 is the coefficient of x by 2. Correspondingly we can write 1 by 2 into y is y by 2. So what is the coefficient of y by 2? 1 by 2. So minus xy is minus 1 into xy. So coefficient of minus xy is minus 1. So we can do our sixth question. So here also there are 3 terms. So what is the coefficient of 0.3a? You know that 0.3 into a is 0.3a. So coefficient of 0.3a is 0.3. What is the coefficient of 0.6 into ab? Minus 0.6. So what is the coefficient of 0.5b? 0.5 into b is 0.5b. So coefficient of 0.5b is 0.5. So we finished first question of exercise 9.1. I hope you understood what is term and what is coefficient. Terms means It's a part of an algebraic expression which is separated by plus or minus sign, and coefficient means numerical factor of a term or number multiplied with a variable. So let's start with our second question. Our second question is, classify the following polynomials as monomials, binomials and trinomials. Which polynomials do not fit in any of these categories? So let's solve our question. So let's categorize monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So here first one is x plus y. So in this expression you can see there are two terms. So plus y is an algebraic expression. It comprises two terms separated by plus sign. So we can write x plus y under the category of binomial. So next one is 1000. You know that it contains only one term. So it's under monomial. So third one is x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4. It has four terms. So it's under polynomial. Next one is 7 plus y plus 5x, which is an algebraic expression. It contains three terms. So that means it's under trinomial. Next algebraic expression is 2y minus 3y squared. So it has two terms. So it's under binomial. Next one is 2y minus 3y square plus 4y cube. You can see in this algebraic expression which contains three terms. That means it is trinomial. So next one is 5x minus 4y plus 3xy. This is an algebraic expression. It comprises three terms. That means it is also a trinomial. So next algebraic expression is 4z minus 15z square. So it has two terms. That means it's a binomial. So we finish till here. So next one is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA. You know that it has four terms. That means it's a polynomial. So next one is PQR. You know that this is monomial. Don't confuse. This is not trinomial. This is multiplication format. P into Q into R. There is no separation of addition or minus sign. So that means this is a monomial. Second last one is P square Q plus PQ square. That means it has two terms. So that means it is a binomial. So last one 2p plus 2q. You know that it has two terms. So it's under binomial. So we categorized all these into monomial, binomial, trinomial and polynomial. So second part of our question is, which polynomial do not fit in any of these categories? That means monomial, binomial, trinomial. That means which one? These two expressions do not fit in these three categories. So our answer is x plus x square plus x cube plus x raised to 4, and AB plus BC plus CD plus DA are the polynomial do not fit in monomial, binomial and trinomial. So I hope you understood our second question. Today we are going to discuss about third question of exercise 9.1. So let's see what is the question. Add the following. I have already explained how to add or subtract algebraic expression in my previous videos. If you are new to my channel, please watch my previous videos. I will give the link in my description box. So let's see how we can add this question. So first we have to combine the like terms. That also I explained in my previous videos. Please watch that video. So now we can combine like terms. So here you know that AB and minus AB are like terms. So next we can combine another like terms, minus BC and plus BC. So we finish here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are here. So now we have finished 4 terms. So we have pending 2 more terms. So let's see which one. So minus CA and plus CA. So now we combine all the like terms. So now we can start to solve. From this we can understand AB minus AB is 0, because you know that plus 5 and minus 5 is same number with a different sign, means the answer is 0. So plus AB and minus AB is cancelled. Similarly, minus BC and plus BC is cancelled. Minus CA and plus CA is cancelled. So the answer is 0. If you feel any difficulty to solve like this, we can try another method. So I am writing now AB minus BC. So first term. So I am writing another like term. So minus AB here and plus BC here. So minus CA, and we can write here plus CA. So I combine all the like terms here. Here you can see. So you know that different sign, same variable. That means this is cancelled. So answer is 0. Here also same variable with a different sign. So this is cancelled. Answer is 0. Here also same variable but different sign. So the answer is 0. So I hope you understood first question of question number 3. So first you have to combine the like terms, then you can add or subtract. So now we can do the second question of question number 3. This is our second question. A minus B plus AB, B minus C plus BC and C minus A plus AC. So now we can combine the like terms. We can solve this question in 2 ways. First I am writing A. So let's see which one is the like term of this A here. So minus A. So I wrote minus A. So we finished this one and this one. Next I wrote minus B, and which one is the like term of minus B? Here you can see plus B. And next one is plus AB. So here I took, so here no plus AB. So this finish. Next we can see minus C and plus C. So next plus BC. Here nothing. So I wrote plus BC here. Next plus AC. So that also I continued here. So now we can start to solve this question. You know that A minus A means 0, minus B plus B is 0, minus C plus C is 0. So what is pending here? AB plus BC plus AC. So this is the answer of this question. So we can try in another way. So I am writing A minus B plus AB. So what is the like term of A here? Minus A. And what is the like term of minus B? Plus B. And what is the like term of AB? Nothing. So I am giving just 0 here. Next one is, so this we finish. Next B we took here. Next is C. So I am writing here minus C and plus C here. Then plus BC, there is no like term of plus BC. So I am writing here. So here there is no like term of BC. So I am giving 0. So this we finish. Next is Z we finish. A we finished. So one is pending, that is plus AC. So here no like term of plus AC. So I am giving 0. So now we can solve this one. So you know that A minus A is 0, plus B minus B is 0. So AB plus 0 is AB, minus C plus C is 0, plus BC plus 0 is plus BC, and plus AC plus 0 plus AC. So we got the answer AB plus BC plus AC. So you can choose any of these two methods. Which one is easy for you, that you can opt from this. This is our third question. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4 and 5 plus 7pq minus 3p square and q square. So now we can solve this question in 2 ways. So first we can write 2p square q square. So what is the like term of 2p square and q square? So this one. So minus 3p square and q square. So this we finish and this also we finish. Now minus 3pq. So what is the like term of minus 3pq? Plus 7pq. Here you can see these are the like terms with the same variables. So next pending is plus 4 and plus 5. So now we can start to solve this question. So here you can see 2 minus 3. This is the question for addition. You know that 2 minus 3 means subtract and give greater number sign. So that means minus p square q square. So this we finish. Next minus 3pq plus 7pq. Minus 3 plus 7 is minus 3 plus 7. So here you can see if different sign comes means subtract and give greater number sign. So 4pq. So next 4 plus 5 9. So this is the answer. So now we can try another way. 2p square q square minus 3pq plus 4. So 5, this is constant, so we have to write here. So plus 7pq and minus 3p square and q square. So let's solve this question. So here you can see p square, q square. Here you can see this is like term. So no need to do anything, just to copy down. So 2 minus 3 means this is plus, this is minus. Subtract and give greater number sign. So minus 1 p square, q square. So here also pq write different sign. Subtract and give greater number sign. So here this is 9. So you got the same answer here and here. So you can, which one is easy for you, that you can opt from this. So this is our fourth question. L square plus m square plus n square plus l square, 2lm plus 2mn plus and 2nl. So how we can do this question? So L square plus m square. So here you can see L square, like term of L square is this one. So like term of m square is another m square also there. So we wrote here. Next is n square. There are 2 n square. So that we finish. So this all we finish, because when you look at this you can see this all are unlike terms. So 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. So you know that L square plus L square means 2L square and m square plus m square means 2m square. N square plus n square means 2n square. We combine all the like terms. These three terms are the unlike terms. We can't do anything here. So that means just copy here. So this is our answer. Now we can do in another way. L square plus m square plus n square. So here L square. So which one is the another L square? So here. Then this we finish. Now m square. So here also. So I wrote here. Now there are 2n square. So this we finish. Now this one is the unlike term. So here we can write 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. For avoiding confusion, I am just giving 0 here. So you know that L square plus L square is 2L square. M square plus m square 2m square. N square plus n square 2n square. This is just copy down. 2lm plus 2mn plus 2nl. So this is the answer. We have finished 3 questions of exercise 9.1. So today we are discussing about question number 4. So this is our question. Subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. We can solve this question in 2 ways. I will show you that 2 ways. Which one is easy for you, that you can take for solving this question. So let's start with our question. Before starting this question, I am giving you a small example. For example, subtract 8 from 10. So how we will subtract this question? Do you know how we can solve this question? Yes, you are right. We will solve how subtract 8 from 10 means which number we have to write first. 10 we have to write first. Then we will write the next number, that is 8. So what is the answer of this question? 10 minus 8, 2. Correspondingly, for solving this question, so we have to write this part of algebraic expression. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So subtract 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12 from 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. So I am taking from this part of this question. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3 I wrote here. So after that you can write this one. So 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. For solving this question, first you have to write this one. So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. First we can write this one, 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. After that you have to change the sign of all the terms. So what is here first term? 4a. So we can change the sign of 4a. So what is the sign here? Plus 4a. So it will become minus 4a. So next is minus 7ab. So we can change the sign, that is plus 7ab. So what is here? Plus 3b. So we can change the sign, that is minus b, minus 3b. Next is plus 12. So we can change the plus 12. So that will become minus 12. So now we can start to subtract. Before solving this question, I will teach you what is the rule for addition and subtraction using sign. So if plus minus comes, what we can do here? If plus minus comes, you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So here you can see this is plus 12 and this is minus. So what is the sign here? So this is different sign. So that means you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. Correspondingly, if minus and minus comes, you have to add the terms and give same sign. That means you have to give same negative sign. So here you can see minus and minus. That means you have to add these numbers, that is you have to add this constant and put same sign. That means you have to give minus sign. Then one more rule that you know obviously, because plus and plus means what? We will add and give same sign. So now let's start to solve our question. So here minus and minus, what is the rule? Add the term and give same sign. So 3 plus 12, 15, and minus and minus, sign is minus. Next you can see different sign. So different sign comes means subtract and put the greater number sign. So 5 minus 3, 2. For addition and subtraction, variables will not change. The same variable you can write down. So 2b. So what is the greater number here? 5 or 3? 5. So you can write sign of 5, that is plus. So next term, if you look, you can see here also there are different sign. So what we had to do here? If different sign comes, subtract and put the greater number sign. So here 9 minus 7, 2. I already said here AB, here AB. So no need of, here these are like terms. So you can bring AB down. And what is the sign here? If different sign comes means you have to put the greater number of sign. So that means what is the greater number here? 9. So what is the sign of 9? Minus. So next another term. So here you can see 12a and 4a. Here also different sign. So different sign comes means you have to subtract and give greater number sign. So 12 minus 4, 8. So here this is like term. So you bring down and subtract and give greater number sign. What is the sign here? Plus. So this is your answer. This is the answer of this question. So now we can do the another way of solving this question. So which one is easy for you that you can take for solving this question? So 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. After that you can write this here. So 4a minus 7ab plus 3b plus 12. But there is one condition. We are going to subtract here. So I am putting minus sign here and giving bracket. Because if there is addition, no need of giving bracket because you know that there is no change. But if you give, so here suppose I am giving plus here and writing like this. Before solving this question, you have to learn rules for integers that you have learned already in your 7th standard. What is the rule for multiplication and division? If minus and minus comes means plus, and if plus and plus is always plus, and if different sign comes means minus. This is the rules for multiplication and division. So here you can see plus and plus. So what is plus? Then plus and minus, different sign, that means answer is minus. Then here also plus, so same. And here also plus, so same. So here you can see there is no change. This way teacher said, if you are giving plus means, suppose if we are going to add this to algebraic means, no need of changing the sign. But here our question is subtract. So that means we should give bracket in between. 12a minus 9ab plus 5b minus 3. Now we can break the bracket. So here you have to use the rule for multiplication and division. You know that minus and minus means plus. plus and plus means plus, plus and minus means minus. That means if minus and minus, that means minus 5 into minus 9. So how you have to write? 5 9s are 45 and minus means you have to give the sign plus. So similarly, so here also 8 2s are 16. If different sign comes means you have to give minus. So this is the rule for multiplication and division. For plus and plus, you know that obviously it will become plus. Now we can break this bracket. So here 4a means this will become plus 4a. So minus and plus minus. So minus 4a. Then minus and minus plus 7ab. Minus and plus minus 3b. Minus and plus minus 12. So I am writing 12a. So what is the like term of 12a? Minus 4a. So next term is minus 9ab. What is the like term of minus 9ab? Plus 7ab. And next one is 5b. And what is the like term of 5b? Minus 3b. And there are two constants, so that we can write together. So minus 3 and minus 12. 12a minus 4a means here are different sign. Here different sign, that means subtract and give greater number sign. So here which one is greater number? 12. So you have to give plus 8a. The next is here also you can see there are different sign. That means you have to subtract and put the greater number sign. So that means minus and plus subtract, that means 2ab. And what is the greater number here? 9. And what is the sign of 9? Minus. Next is 5b minus 3b. Here also different sign. So you have to subtract and give greater number sign. So that means plus 2b. Next is minus and minus, that means add and minus. So minus 15. So we have finished two ways of solving this question. Which one is easy for you that you can use for solving this question? If you need any clarification, please mention in the comment box. Now we can start with our second part of this question. This is the second part of question number 4. I hope you understood first part of question number 4. Again I am telling, if you need any clarification, please mention in the comment box. So here also I am showing in two ways. So first we can write the second part of this question. So that is 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. So I wrote this part of the question here. So now we can change the sign of this first part of our question. This is plus 3xy. So this will become minus 3xy and plus 5yz. So it will become minus 5yz. And this is minus 7zx. So plus 7zx. So here nothing, no term. So for avoiding confusion, you can give 0. So you know that if any number add to 0 means the answer is number itself. So plus 10xyz. So here different sign comes means subtract and put the greater number sign. So 7 minus 2 is 5. So what is the greater number here? 7. So what is the sign? Plus. So here also minus and minus, add and minus. So that means 7yz and sign is minus. So here you can see this is different sign. That means you have to subtract and give greater number sign. So 5 minus 3, 2xy. What is the sign of greater number? Plus. So you got the answer 2xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz. So this is the one way of solving this question. So let's see what is the second way of solving this question. Here also you have to write second part of the question. So 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Now we can write first part of the question. So we have to first give what teacher said. You have to give minus sign and put bracket, and we can write 3xy plus 5yz minus 7zx. I already said if you give plus here, so we can't give plus here because this is not for addition question. This is the question for subtracting. So you know that if you give minus means you have to put this algebraic expression inside the bracket and solve this question by using the rules for multiplication and division. Understood? So now we can solve this question. So here I am writing the first part of our question, 5xy minus 2yz minus 2zx plus 10xyz. Now we can break the bracket. So what is the answer will be here? Here nothing means what? This is plus. So minus and plus means here You should be very careful. You have to use the rule for multiplication and division. Don't use for this rule. This rule is for only for what? Addition and subtraction. So here minus and plus means minus. So minus 3xy, and here minus and plus minus 5yz, then minus and minus plus, that is 7zx. So now we finished the main part of this question. So now we can arrange the like terms and unlike terms. So 5xy. So 5xy, what is the like term of 5xy? 3xy. So minus 3xy, and next is minus 2yz. So what is the like term of minus 2yz? Minus 5yz. So that we finish. Next is minus 2zx. So what is the like term of minus 2zx? Plus 7zx. So the last one is remaining, that you can write here. So therefore, which answer we will get? 5xy minus 3xy is 2xy. So because here plus and minus, so you have to subtract and give the greater number sign. So which number is greater here? 5. And what is the sign? Plus. Next is minus and minus, so you have to add the terms and put same sign. So 5 plus 2, 7, and sign is minus. Next is different sign, that means you have to subtract and give greater number sign. So 7 minus 2, 5. And what is the greater number here? 7. So plus sign. So the one is pending, that is our unlike term. So we can put last. So I hope you understood. So therefore you got the answer 2xy minus 7yz plus 5zx plus 10xyz. So we finished second part of our question. Now we can do the third part of this question. This is the third part of question number 4. So we finished exercise 9.1 completely. If you need any clarification, please mention in the comment box. In our next session, we are starting exercise 9.2. So let's see how we can solve this question. So here also I am telling, always while solving subtraction, you have to write the second part of the question first. 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5p minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. Now we can solve the question. This is 4p square q. So it will become minus 4p square q. You know that I am arranging the like terms here. So next is minus 3pq. So this will become plus 3pq. So next 5pq square, it will become minus 5pq square. So next is minus 8p, this it will become plus 8p. Next is plus 7q, that will become minus 7q. So one more constant, so minus 10, so that will become plus 10. So now we can solve this question. Here there are different signs, so that means you have to subtract and give greater number sign. So 5 minus 4 means 1. So 1 p square q, and sign is plus because 5 is greater. If you don't write 1 also, no problem, because you know that p square q means 1 p square q only. So next is here also same sign. So the same sign comes means you have to add and give same sign. So that means minus 7 pq square. So next is plus and plus, add and give same like terms. So next is minus and minus, add and give minus sign. So 11 plus 7 is 18q. So next is different sign, subtract and give greater number sign. So that is 5p. So what is the greater number here? 8. So plus 18 plus 10 is 28. So this is the answer, 28 plus 5p minus 18q plus 8pq minus 7pq square plus p square q. So if you write plus 1 also no problem. If you simply write p square q also same answer only. You know that p square q means 1 p square q only. So I hope you understood the one way of solving this question. So let's see how we can solve in another way. Here also I said you have to write the second part of the question first, then you have to put minus sign, then put bracket and write the first part of algebraic expression. Minus 3pq plus 5pq square minus 8p plus 7q minus 10. So now we can solve this bracket. So what we will get here? So here I am writing 18 minus 3p minus 11q plus 5pq minus 2pq square plus 5p square q. So this is our second part of question. Here no change. So change is starting from where? Second part of this question. So the minus sign, here I said you have to follow the rules for multiplication or division. So minus and plus means minus 4p square q, minus and minus plus 3pq. Next is minus and plus minus 5pq square, minus and minus plus 8p. Next is minus and plus minus 7q. Last minus and minus, you can see here minus and minus plus 10. So I hope you understood how we can solve the bracket. So therefore what will be the answer here? So you know that first constant 18 and 10. So 18 plus 10 is 28 minus 3p and plus 8p. So what is the answer? Here you can see different sign. That means you can subtract and give greater number sign. So plus 5p. So next 11q and minus 7q. So here you can see 11q minus 7 means 4q. So here minus 11q. So minus and minus, add and minus. So minus 18q. So next is plus 5pq and plus 3pq. So the answer is plus 8pq. So next is minus 2pq square and minus 5pq square. So here you can see this is same sign. So that means add and same sign. So that means minus 7pq square. So next is one more 5p square q and minus 4p square q. So here you can see this is minus, this is plus. So you can subtract and give greater number sign. So plus p square q. So this is our answer. So suppose if you have confusion in this part, what you have to do here? You can arrange the like terms. That also I will show you. You can put like terms together. So how we can put like terms here? 18 and 10. So 18 plus 10. Next is minus 3p, minus 3p and plus 8p. So next is minus 11q, minus 7q. Next one plus 5pq, plus 3pq. Next is minus 2pq square and minus 5pq square. So one more plus 5p square q minus 4p square q. So now we can solve this question. So you know that 18 plus 10 is 28. Here different sign means subtract and give. So that I rubbed, sorry. So plus different sign means subtract and give greater number sign. So that means 8 minus 3, 5p. So which one is greater here? 8. So what is the sign here? Plus. So next, so we finish this one. Then here you can see minus and minus means add and minus. So minus 18q. Next is plus and plus, add and plus. So 8pq. So here minus and minus, add and minus. So that means minus 7pq square. So the last subtract and give greater number sign. So plus 1p square q. So this is our answer. So I hope you understood how to subtract one algebraic expression from another algebraic expression. I taught you in two ways. If you need any clarification, please mention in the comment box. If you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe.